Hi, in this video I'm going to show you that how to design a Shopify store with a single product. And this is the home page, this is the product page, and this is the contact page. And we use a free theme that Sense in Shopify. So let's begin that how to do this design in Shopify. If you want to build your professional website with us, then you can contact with our Upwork profile, which I added in the description below, or you can also contact with us with our email or our WhatsApp number, which also I added in the description. So check out this. We will install a theme now, then add your product, and then customize the theme. So at first go to the online store in themes. If you don't find online store, click here and then click sales channel and you will find the online store. If you don't find it here, then go below here, click add on Sense theme. This is a free theme, so you can use it as a free. Well, the Sense theme has been installed. Now you will add a product. So go to the product section, click add your products. Now here we will add the product, add the product name, then add the product description, then upload. You can add multiple image in the product like this way. Come here, for example, this product price was 100 and in discount we are now giving $75. Then you can take the track inventory. So that means you want to, for example, you have 100 unit in your stock now, and if when you check the track quantity, that means basically when a product will be sold, then this product, the sold product, will be subtract from here. And if you have any variations of your products, you can also variation like this, but simply we have no variation in this product, so I'm not showing this. I have a variation base video. I have a video where I explained product variation. You can simply check out this. So now I click save. Before that, I'm checking that if everything is okay, fine. Then you can also natural shampoo. Okay, you can also use these tags, and if you have any collection, you can also add this on the collection. So now I'm clicking save. After save time, now we will do the customization. So for that, going to the online store, then go to the customize of Sense theme. So here it is the initial view of this. Now we will do our customization. At first we will do the customization on this announcement bar. So for example, if you want to give any discount or want to share any announcement with your customer, then you can use this announcement bar. For example, we are giving 10% discount on fast order. Perfect. So you can also set a link for this, but I'm not doing right now. Then I will upload the logo of this theme. So I already uploaded the related images here. I'm adding the image from here, or you can also upload the image through add images. Okay, now I'm adding the logo and click done. and the logo added. Okay, the logo has been uploaded. Now it looks very small, so we can increase the size of the logo a little bit. I think, let's see how it looks like that. Okay, 150, 180. Yeah, I think that's gradient is looks now nice, much better. Okay, now save the logo. Then we will update the sections. For that, come here and click on this image on text, upload an image for the zero section. So let's select an image which looks better. I think this image we can choose. Fine. Okay, so then change the text of. So for that, change, come here, write this text here. Okay, so it looks a little bit bigger, small, medium, large. Okay, so I think small is okay in our case. Okay, then I will add more section. To convert the client, I will add more section here. For example, multi-row also a good thing to highlight the product positive things on the home page to convert the clients. So I am using multi-row. Okay, so multi-row has been added. Let's move it a little bit above. Perfect. Then come the first row, this one, write some text for it. Okay, for we don't need captions, we directly can write. Okay, then add an image for this. Image, select this image, then update the description. Okay, so that's pretty okay. Now we don't need the button, so I'm removing this. If we want to give a more detail about the positive thing, so we can use button, but in our case we don't need it. The same way as the first row, we will also fill up the other two rows information about the product features. Save and let's see how it looks on the web page. So this is the hero section. It looks better. We will all definitely change the theme color at the end, and this is the section about the product features. Okay, perfect. Then we will add a product from where the client can purchase or the customer can purchase this. So let's start this. So we can add another section. We can use this featured product section from here. I think so. Yep, this featured product. We remove the featured collection because we don't need it. Let's pick the product at first. Select product and select our product and select it. Okay, perfect. So okay, instead of a bigger media image, we can use a small media image. Yeah, we can use this. So I think it looks a little bit better now from before. Now we can add more information about the product, that why the product you should use. So in that case, we saw that a section that is called 3 column, I think so. Yep, multi-column. So we can use this section here. Yep, perfect. So text for here, that why must you use this product. Perfect. So write the column text. Okay, first thing is strength and growth. Our shampoo contains a powerful for growth. The similar way we fill up the other 2 column information also. We need to add some icon on imager, so it will looks better. So in that case, we can select some image or icon, for example for natural base, so I am using this icon for this. Then yeah, it looks pretty good. I will configure it later. Let's add the image at first, then I will add visible improvement, so I'm using this image, then adding this, so I think it's strength, so I'm using this image. So to customize the heading icon size, let's go here, and then we can change the image width from that options, that image width. There we can use this. Well, we can use this. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's smaller and looks pretty good here. And here you can also use increase or decrease more column if you need. We are using 3 columns, so we're keeping this 3 for here. And we will now change the color of this. So to change the color of this, go to this option, schema 2, opening this website, and here we have, for example, we have this image. So from that image I'm going to find the color scheme for that website, because make browse image, and then I can update its URL. We can pick this color scheme for our website. So I'm going to open the color scheme code. So I think it's very interesting, and that you can generate the color scheme from any product or logo also. So I'm choosing this image as the primary color, so I'm going back here, and at first I'm going to update this background gradient color, because there are lots of background gradients. So I'm going to click this color and change the my color scheme. Then going back here, I'm picking this secondary color. Okay, and then I'm coming back here, then click this and click here. So we can see also there is a changes here, and then come back here and click the copy, and then change the color scheme. I think it's now pretty okay. We have a similarity with our product. Now come back here, and now we have some solid colors like that. So we will change it, this background color. So for this background color, we are going to pick this color. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I think it's okay. Then I want to change the button color of this button color. So I'm going the featured product options, and here I'm going to change the color scheme from this to this. Okay, so now let's check how the website looks like. So this is the desktop version. I'm going back to top. Okay, so this is the logo, this is the hero section, the product specifications, and then here the customer can buy this product or add to cart. Then there are some reason why they must use this, and it's a converting text here, and then subscriber to mail. Okay, perfect. So going back to the mobile version, so for the simple one page website, so it also looks well here. So if while everything is well set up, just now we need to click the publish here to publish this theme, and it will replace the Dawn theme and publish this theme as the website main store themes. If you need any support, you can contact us on the comment, or hit the subscribe buttons to get more helpful video on Shopify or website development. Thank you very much. If you need any support to build your Shopify store or any consultancy, please feel free to contact us.